What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. I miss you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, you guys. It feels like when I don't make a video, it feels like a whole eternity because I need you guys in my life all the time. Every day, all day. I love you so much. Thank you for all the support you guys have been showing me via all the different endeavors that I try to do. And I know I've been doing a lot, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Click the like and subscribe button down there. Click that little button right there. Leave a thumbs up, a thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. And it's scorching hot out here. Let me wipe my mouth, because one of the old videos, my mouth got dry, and it looked like I had been munching on a powdered donut. Okay, we ain't got time for that. So anyway, today, thank you so much for being here, you guys. It is June 28th, and we're about to go into July. Wednesday will be July the 1st, you guys. So it is like 91, 92 degrees here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. It's burning up out here, so I'm not going to keep you long. Otherwise, I'll be tilled over. And ain't nobody got no money to go to the emergency room. Ain't nobody got no money. Shoot. So let's just jump right into it. Today, I'm going to talk about what to plant in July. Yes, you guys. And I may go into a little detail about some things because you're going to be like this. You know what? Didn't even think about it like that. Okay. SkinnyBoyRandy be thinking outside the box a little bit sometimes. So, first, let's just jump right into it. And everything I'm telling you about, I have growing pretty much now. And I started it a few days ago, and everything's germinating. And yeah, you guys, never stop planting because you don't want to run out of harvest, and then you still got the whole summer to go. I know a lot of us started early, and we got fruit early, and we have vegetables early. But don't forget the later months, okay? Let's build up the storehouse, okay? So first, your squash. As I said with the June video, you can plant your squash. Whatever type of squash you want to plant, just check the back of the package. Squash only takes about 56 to 60 days to mature, you guys. So we're going into July 1st, so you calculate 60 days from July 1st. August 1st, September 1st. Still great growing season here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. It may be cooling down a little bit, or it may be scorching hot. That's why I say always grow extra, because we can be burning up. September is my birthday, y'all. September 3rd. Yes. If you want to send your SkinnyBoyRandy something on September 3rd, let me know. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. But yeah, it can be scorching hot. And it's always around the first day of school. How school's going to work this year, we don't even know, you guys. I hope you guys are safe. Also, your zucchinis, in the same family with the squash, different color, a little bit of different taste. Same thing. Get these in the ground now, get your seedlings directly in the ground, or you can start them in containers, like I have going on over here with some of my pole beans. Then I'm going to transfer some, and then I'm going to let some run straight from that container, you guys. So yeah, get your squash and your zucchinis in the ground. It is really hot out here, y'all. Keep y'all finger on the button to call the peoples. If I fall out, call the 911 YouTube number. Yeah, 911 YouTube. Okay, cucumbers. Get your cucumbers in the ground, y'all. Is that a number 911 YouTube? Shoot, that's for somebody who done fell out making a video. Especially if you laugh. What you gonna do if you fall out doing a live and ain't nobody there but everybody watching it around the world? Somebody better call 911. Okay. Oh, back on subject. I'm sorry, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Thank you for being here. You get your cucumbers. I have cucumbers around the side of the house just coming up. They're doing great. 5 and 6 leaves, big as my hand, getting bigger every day. Different varieties of cucumbers. Don't just pick one variety and be like, okay, I'm just going to grow that. You might want to try some other types. Your corn. You may have time to grow corn. Corn takes about 75 to 80 days to maturity, but like to give it a little bit longer. Who knows how your weather's going to turn out. So I have corn growing over there right now, and I'm going to show you guys a little tour of everything that I'm talking about, because I'm not going to tell you nothing wrong. I ain't got the lie correct. I'm going to tell you the truth, okay? Shoot. So you get the corn, put it on in the ground. Corn is very easy to take care of. Make sure you get it watered. And just let it do its thing. I space my about a hand apart. You can go and watch my other videos on planting corn, but this video is about the seeds, y'all, and I'm starting to sweat. Thank God for my Skinny Boy Randy t-shirt that I don't feel ooky and icky because I feel a breeze blowing through the t-shirt. Okay, you guys? All right, shameless plug. Don't forget to get your Skinny Boy Randy t-shirts, okay? Okay, they're on sale right now. All right, hit me up, let me know. I love you guys, you're the best. Thank you for being here. All right, so yeah, try different varieties of corn. You have your golden bantam, you have your sweet, you have your, what we got over here? Evergreen, white spine. Try all that good stuff, okay? Okay. So, now with your broccoli. Now, this is one of the vegetables I was going to tell you about getting into in detail. So, don't go off yet, all right? Because I know you're like this, you don't plant that, you don't plant that right now, you don't plant that outside, it's too hot, okay? But look, check this out. Now, broccoli loves the cold weather. You have to remember, July the 1st, time is really flying. So, if you want to put your starter plants, which are the plants that you started from seedling, you know how you start broccoli from a seedling in your house, under the grow lights? Yeah. You may have to start doing that in a week or two for your broccoli. Because what's going to happen is, you want to put your broccoli outside about, what, 4 to 6 weeks before the first frost. Okay, follow me. You want to put your broccoli starters, you know they've come out, they've grown from the seed, and they're ready to be put outside when it's cool. You want to do that 4 weeks before the first frost, because you want them to be in the ground at least a month before that first frost hits, okay? We're talking about the broccoli. Now, if you're going to have your starters ready 4 weeks before your first frost, which our first frost, let's just say it happens to come September 15th. I need these to be starters 4 weeks before September 15th, okay? You follow me? I need these to be ready 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks before. It takes these a while to grow as seedlings. You need these ready before the first frost. So you can account backwards. Find your first frost date for 2020, which ours could be September or October. If it's October 1st, I need to go back, let's say 2 months. So I'm going to go back to September, and I'm going to go back to August 1st. I need these to be starters ready to go into the ground mid-August. Which means I have to make starters from seed, and they take about 4 weeks, so go back some more. You're right back here in, some people have to do it in June. And this is so when the frost does come, you'll have some broccoli. You know how everybody thinks broccoli takes a long time to take? That's because sometimes you plant it at the last minute and it has to go through the whole cold. So if you do it this way, start your seedlings now. Yep, you never stop growing in your greenhouse or in your house, wherever your grow room is, wherever you put them, and start them now. Because 4 weeks, 6 weeks is going to roll around so fast, summer's going to be gone. We're going to be freezing cold, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. I hope you followed that. Okay, starting these now, you'll have seedlings that have grown, germinated and grown, ready to go into the ground in about 2 months. So you count July 1st, August, September. Yeah. So that's why you want to do your broccoli in the next week or so. Or maybe, 3 weeks. But I'm just giving you the whole month of July. Same thing with your kales. Exact same story. Starting them off. By the time they really get going, the weather will be cooling down and it'll be perfect for them. Perfect. You can get you some beans in the ground right now. They may still come up for you and give you some harvest. It shouldn't be too late. I just started these purple potted pole beans over here. And they're doing great. Yep. Started those the same time as I started the cucumbers and the squash that are in there. So yeah, get your beans in the ground. And then, last but not least, try to get your watermelons in the ground, y'all. Find you a spot where you can keep it watered. That's the only issue I'm having, is keeping mine watered, and I'm hoping I get some this year. You can do some beets in a nice shaded spot. They do well. Yeah, nice loose soil. I would like to pick a shady, sunny spot. But only certain beets now, only certain ones. Now you're taking a chance with the carrots, trying to start them now, but they may start for you when it gets cooler, depending on depending on what zone you're in. So you may be able to do it, but you definitely want to think about when you're going to plant your pumpkins, so they'll be ready for the different holidays and events that everybody celebrates. So yeah, you guys, let me just show you around a little bit, see what's going on. These are the seedlings I told you we're starting now. See? Purple potted. And they just sprout up, you know, you guys, like overnight. And I always plant extra. See? Not gonna tell you nothing I'm not doing, y'all. Always keep planting. Keep planting, because you don't know how long your growing season is going to go. Look at the corn. We may even start another batch of corn. Yep, you guys, all from seed. Again, look at our huge pepper over here. This thing is humongous. It's huge. Huge. And I'm just letting it grow to watch it change its colors, you guys. Yes. And then the some of the cucumbers that I told you on the side of the house started a couple of weeks ago. Maybe 3 weeks ago. And look at these ones. And it's 2 of them there. I started to separate them, but I'm just going to take a chance and let them grow up, and I'm going to trellis these. These are ready to be trellised. You see the little strings coming out, the little coil, ready to latch on to something, y'all. And we'll have some cucumbers. So yeah, you guys, that's what you can plant in July. All right. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. I love you. You are the best.